You're watching Bloomberg UTV.
People run businesses and businesses run economies. In the hard and competitive world of business, we at The Assignment challenge those who have made it big. Welcome to the season finale of The Assignment. और जैसे आपने देखा होगा पिछले कुछ हफ्तों में in each episode, we get India's corporate hotshot out of his or her comfort zone and test them in a brand new job, a completely different environment and a whole new team to work with. And the finale episode will be no different. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं हमारे कॉर्पोरेट हॉटशॉट्स काफ़ी पॉलिश्ड और फाइनेंशियली वेल सेटल्ड हैं और क्यों ना हो उन्होंने काफ़ी साल इन्वेस्ट किए हैं इन द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड एंड विद सम ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट कंपनीज इन द कंट्री. Now speaking of investments, our participant for the day is somebody who eats, drinks and breathes investments. He is somebody who helps you park your money at the right time and the right place. Well, yes, he is an investment banker. So let's see if our banker friend puts his mouth where his money is. AVP Global Investments Banking Group, ICICI Bank, Mr. Ajay Lakhotia.
Hi, I'm Ajay Lakhotia. I work as the Associate Vice President with ICICI Bank Investment Banking Group. I'm definitely not in love with numbers, but I would rather say numbers are in love with me. They keep chasing me wherever I go.
As a friend, I think he's very cooperative. He understands people's mindset, tries to help his friends out.
If I'm not working, I'm working out. I think I am able to strike the right kind of balance between hard work and smart work. So what is important is to get the work delivered. I work to live, I don't live to work.
So as you have seen so far in the assignment, the participants can be made to work for any genre of business. And today we have cooked up a special plan for Mr. Lakhotia. Okay, I have a question. वो कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो स्पाइसी है, ज़्यादा महंगी भी नहीं है और हाँ, हमारे मुंबई की शान भी? Well, the answer is Mr. Lakhotia's assignment. और आदत से मजबूर, there is a jumbo twist coming up.
As Ajay said himself, when not in office, there's only one other place he can be found at, the gym. And that's where Ajay's assignment caught up with him.
Branded Vada Pav, the idea is entirely inspired by the Western model, and in Bombay, very much it is Vada Pav which kind of equals the same volume potential. So we decided to create a brand around Vada Pav, and this was done under the name of Jumbo King. Jumbo King started in the year 2001, so we are now, we've completed 9 years. Jumbo King today has got 47 operational stores.
Ajay, your assignment is to manage one of them and use your expertise and intelligence to increase sales while at it.
We have a centralized kitchen where the patty and the sauces get made. Mumbai sells almost 20 lakh units of Vada Pav a day. And our estimate is that there is at least a 20%, which is almost 4 lakh customers a day, who would like to see higher levels of hygiene in terms of the raw material used, in terms of the quality of the bread, in terms of the quality of potato, etc. And they wouldn't mind paying a rupee higher. We are now trying to kind of move the brand ahead and make it the cool thing to do when you are in Mumbai and you want a quick snack on the go.
This is surprising and a very interesting assignment which has come up. I think I look forward to take this up. It's a challenge and I'm a game for it. It's a bright new day, early morning, and I'm off to my assignment. I'm really not sure what to expect, but I'm sure it would be something good.
Ajay arrives at Jumbo King's central kitchen.
Hi, Dheeraj.
Hi Ajay.
How are you?
Good, good. I've been waiting for you.
Yeah.
I just need to put this on.
Thank you.
Your assignment is of course going to be based on a task I'm going to give you at the store.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Just to kind of brief you, this is the kitchen where we process about 1.5 tons of potatoes a day.
gear up.
And it all gets mashed, made in these machines, and then gets to the store.
Here comes a twist in the tale.
Anyway, there is a twist in the program today. There's a slight change, and instead of one participant, there are going to be two participants today.
Okay.
So, Rahul, you want to just introduce yourself to Ajay?
Hi, Rahul. Hi, Rahul. Ajay.
Hi, my name is Rahul Jandu. I work as Assistant Head of Sales for Intercontinental, the Lalit. I'm a very punctual person. I don't like to get late for anything. It can be at work, it can be at any appointment. What I like about my job is very challenging. It's you get to meet new people every day, and every person has different requirements, and you should have that ability to deliver with the complete fulfillment to the customer. Nowadays, it's a trend to do an MBA. I mean, they give you more focus about the sales and marketing. But I can say about myself that I have learned the things the hardest way. I'm a go-getter. I feel nothing is impossible. If any task is given to me, I make sure I give my 100% to achieve that task.
So, what is going to happen today is that both of you all are going to be assigned two different stores, and whoever comes up with the maximum sales at the end of the day is going to be the winner.
Okay.
Okay. So, guys, how we go about this is I have got these two stores, these two chits made over here, and I don't want to be biased towards any of you, so I'm going to let you pick your store. Okay. Please. So, who goes first? The investment banker? Yeah.
I'll take the first one.
You can. Which store have you got?
JK58 near Malad Subway.
JK1, Daftari Road, Malad East.
Wow, great. So it's also a big day for us in Jumbo King. We are introducing a combos from today, and so I thought that we have got two talented people with us. So why not do it with you guys? This is the combo offer. Okay. Basically, Shezwan Jumbo King. It's one of our best-selling products, and that is sold at 15 rupees. And this is a glass of Pepsi, which we sell at 10 bucks.
Okay.
So the total is 25. Today in the combo offer, it is going to go at 20 bucks.
Dheeraj hands over promotional material as well as uniforms to Ajay and Rahul, who are our version of a deadly combo for today's grand finale.
As in, your time has already begun. So, I'm going to just ask you all to rush to the stores, and it ends at 8 p.m. sharp. So all the best, guys.
Thank you.
Right. All the best, Ajay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Our finale contestants, Ajay and Rahul, speed away to their respective Jumbo King Vada Pav outlets.
I was expecting that I'll be the one who will be doing the assignment today, but this was a complete surprise. Rahul was a complete surprise.
Currently, my job is to sell hotels, but then today I'll be selling Jumbo Vada Pav. So it's quite different, and I'm looking forward to do some good business there.
I'm a bit nervous because my counterpart, he is from the food industry. He knows the industry well.
And I'm looking forward to win this competition.
I'm hoping I can give Rahul a good competition. हाय अजय, आज के लिए आपका स्टोर मैं देख रहा हूँ.
Man, this is crowded, man. It's actually in a one way and hope to do a good business. Hi, राहुल. आज के लिए एक टास्क है. आज के लिए स्टोर का मैनेजर मैं हूँ. Okay. आप सबसे मिला सकते हैं?
अपनी टीम्स को अच्छे से जानने के फायदे हमारे दोनों कंटेस्टेंट्स समझते हैं. Rahul meets everyone at his outlet and Ajay follows suit.
मेरा नाम कुमार है।
कुमार,
जी
अपने दोस्तों से मिलवाइए मुझे यहाँ पर।
हाँ, हमारे दोस्त लोग हैं।
बाहर बुलाइए उनको।
भाई इधर आ जाओ। ये हमारे पीछे किचन में काम करने वाला
क्या नाम है?
विजय।
हाय विजय, मेरा नाम अजय है। और कौन है अंदर?
बस दो ही अभी।
कुमार, सिर्फ एक ही बंदा क्यों है और बाकी लोग कहाँ हैं?
सुबह आ जाते हैं सब, बाकी बंदा अभी शायद लेट हो रहा है पर ट्रैफिक में कहीं पे अटक गया है।
I was a bit taken aback because it's necessary to start the store early if we want to make the sales. यार अभी तक तो अपना चालू हो जाना चाहिए स्टोर।
15-20 मिनट आ जाना चाहिए पर आया ना, पूछता हूँ।
नहीं नहीं, ऐसे काम नहीं होगा ना कुमार, ऐसे तो खाली सेटबैक्स हो रहे हैं। I wanted the staff in place so that we could start the store early and we had to wait for the staff. We couldn't do much until they arrived to the store.
आइए प्लीज आइए।
While Ajay's staff is late for work, Rahul's customers are on time.
शेजवान 20 रुपए में आप ट्राई करेंगे। हाँ जी, क्या चाहिए आपको? वड़ा पाव। ये आज का नया ऑफर है, कॉम्बो ऑफर। While Suresh was punching the orders, I was calling for the orders to the kitchen and started delivering it to the guys. And slowly, the footfall was increasing. Crowd was gathering. They were keen to know. My job was, I was totally focused that day to promote that combo offer which was given to me. ये ट्राई करेंगे आज शेजवान और साथ में पेप्सी भी आएगा। ऑफर है 25 का आज 20 में एक है प्लस पेप्सी साथ में आएगा।
एक तरफ राहुल आज के स्पेशल कॉम्बो को हार्ड सेल कर रहे हैं, तो दूसरी तरफ Ajay's outlet is yet to fire up their kitchen.
यस मैम, मेरा अभी टाइम लगेगा, 10 से 15 मिनट लगेगा।
एक बड़ा पाव के लिए इतना टाइम?
मैम अभी हम लोग सुबह दुकान खोले, अभी थोड़ा टाइम बनाने में लगता है।
मैम वी आर एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी, अंदर प्रिपरेशन में थोड़ा समय लग रहा है, इसके लिए हम लोग क्षमा चाहते हैं। मैम 5 मिनट लगेगा, मुश्किल से 5 मिनट में आपका वड़ा पाव रेडी हो जाएगा।
चीज़ नील वड़ा पाव दे दो।
चीज़ नील वड़ा पाव। मैम 5 मिनट समय लगेगा, अंदर प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है, जस्ट 5 मिनट और समय लगेगा, उसके बाद हम लोग।
इतना टाइम?
I almost felt helpless at that point of time. I was thinking, it's like, what can we do? विजय, और कितनी देर है अभी? आ गए आप? क्या नाम है आपका?
सारिका।
सारिका, काफ़ी लेट हो गई आज।
आज बस लेट था ना, काफ़ी ट्रैफिक था।
चलिए ठीक है, फटाफट काम पे लग जाइए, काफ़ी ऑर्डर्स वेटिंग है। Meanwhile, the employees arrived and we were ready to roll out the vada pavs now. चलो आगे, फटाफट लगो. Let's get rolling. Move it.
And with that, the kitchen gets into top gear.
Ma'am, आपके orders. Thank you. Here's your order. The vada pavs started coming out. We were delivering it to the customers. Finally, the cash register started ringing.
The competition is on. Ajay's outlet is buzzing with customers. And Rahul's outlet looks no different either. Mumbai is eating their favorite snack, vada pav.
मैंने कब से ऑर्डर दिया हुआ है चीज़ ग्रिल और सेजवान जंबो वड़ा पाव का।
चीज़ ग्रिल?
हाँ, अभी तक मेरे को नहीं मिला है। मेरे पीछे वाले खा के जा रहे हैं। अभी दोपहर का टाइम है, मुझे भी भूख लगी है करके तो मैं ऑर्डर दिया हूँ।
ये किसको ऑर्डर दिया है सर?
आपको ही दिया वो। कमाल है, आप भूल जा रहे हो।
For a minute, I was blank. I said, what do I tell him? I mean, in that crowd, I couldn't even remember what's his order. क्या ऑर्डर दिया था?
अरे चीज़ ग्रिल दिया हुआ है और सेजवान जंबो वड़ा पाव दिया हुआ है।
मेरे को नहीं दिया सर।
अरे आपको ही दिया है, ऐसा कैसा बात कर रहे हो आप? अभी ये सब लोग खाते हुए जा रहे हैं और मैं यहाँ मुंह देखते हुए खड़ा हूँ।
While Rahul finds himself in a sticky situation, Ajay is unhappy with the turnout of customers.
कुमार, यार कस्टमर्स तो अभी कम है, फुटफॉल मुझे कम दिखाई दे रहा है। मेरे पास ये कॉम्बो ऑफर के कूपन्स है, मैं इनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके आता हूँ। हाँ ठीक है, चलो।
Coming up after the break, Rahul has to do what it takes to calm down an angry customer.
मेरे को नहीं दिया सर।
अरे आपको ही दिया है, ऐसा कैसा बात कर रहे हो आप?
And Ajay is out on the streets distributing combo offer coupons.
We have a combo offer which has been launched today.
Which bank does Ajay Lakhotia currently work for? A. ICICI, B. SBI. SMS your answers to 59995 or log on to www.utvmoney.com/the assignment. जो भी सीजन के एंड तक सबसे ज्यादा करेक्ट आंसर्स भेजेगा उसे मिलेगा एक LCD टेलीविजन।